Now let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. It is one of the fastest and easiest way to add or subtract numbers. That's the standard algorithm. The standard algorithm is one of the fastest and easiest way to add or subtract numbers. What do we call the numbers that we are adding together? They're called addends. Addends are what we call numbers that we are adding together. What do we call the result of the addition operation? It's called the sum. Sum is what we call the result of the addition operation. Blank is the number that will be reduced using subtraction. Minuend is the number that will be reduced using subtraction. Blank is the number that will be taken or subtracted from the minuend. The answer is subtrahend. Subtrahend is the number that will be taken or subtracted from the minuend. It is the result of subtracting the subtrahend from the minuend. The answer is difference. The difference is the result of subtracting the subtrahend from the minuend. Add the numbers below using the standard algorithm. The answer is 12,017. So how did we arrive at this answer? Let's have 10,978 plus 1,039. So 9 plus 8 is 17. Let's carry over 1. 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1. That's 11. 9 plus 0 is 9 plus 1. That's 10. Carry over 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 plus 1. That's 2. Think of a blank digit as having 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. And there we have the answer. Subtract the numbers below using the standard algorithm. The answer is 4,669. So how did we come up with this answer? Let's try to solve this problem using the standard algorithm. We have 7,005 minus 2,336. So 5 minus 6 is not possible. We borrow 1 from 0, but 0 can't lend us any. So we borrow 1 from the hundreds place, but the hundreds place has a digit of 0 and can't lend us any as well. So we borrow from the thousands place, which is 7. We borrow 1. It becomes 6. So we add that 1 to the hundreds place. So 0 becomes now 10. But we need to borrow 1 for the tens place, so 10 becomes 9, and 0 also becomes 10. But we need to borrow 1 for the ones place, so 10 also becomes 9, and 5 becomes 15. So now we can perform the subtraction operation. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 again is 6 as well. And 6 minus 2 is 4. And there we have the answer, 4,669. And that's it for now. Remember to keep on practicing your math skills with our sample exercises and workbooks. See you then.